Okay, this is going to be a quick video just to show you guys how to get to Westlaw and also how to access a company profile from Westlaw Campus Research from our library homepage. The first thing I want you to do is go to our library homepage, which is library.coastal.edu. Type that in. Okay, and once you have that typed in, you will be brought to the library homepage. And from the library homepage, you will select Database Finder. And again, you are going to be accessing Westlaw Campus Research. So you are going to go to the W's. And you will see all of our databases that start with the letter W. And we are going to pick this one right here, Westlaw Campus Research. Alright, once you are in Westlaw Campus Research, you will be brought to this page. By the way, if you are off campus, it is going to ask you for a login first. Your login is simply the same username and password that you use to access your campus email. Now, from this homepage, what you can do in order to get a company profile, the easiest way would be to come here to Company Investigator. Type in a company. I'm going to use Revlon as an example and click search. It's going to take a little while to load. But once it has loaded, as you can see here, my first option that pops up is the Revlon Incorporated that is traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Going to select that one. And you will be brought to this quick records page. Now, this isn't going to tell you much, although you will get a business description as well as other things. But what we want to do is run a report. So let's do that. You do have options here. You can run a basic report, you can get an overview, or you can get the Premier report, which is the default. I'm going to go ahead and select the Premier report because it's going to give me the most information. So I can select this. And then what happens is Westlaw is just going to automatically generate a report. And some of the things that are included in this report, as you can see, you've got background information. It includes a business overview, as well as vital phone numbers. And as you scroll down, you can see other features such as current directors. Legal proceedings are going to be one of the things that you can get in Westlaw easier than you can get anywhere else within our Kimball database results. So if you want to see what legal action Revlon in this case has been involved in, then you have your options here. This may be the most recent one here as of June 2018. Select Moses versus Revlon. And you have a summary order for a case from 2017. Okay. So that's pretty much how that works, and you can just scroll down this left tab here to see all the different options you will have for information. So you see you've got lawsuit records, UCC filings, corporate filings, business profile records, these sorts of things. So these will be very helpful as you are trying to look for or establish a profile for a business.